To my mind, I choose you to be no other than yourself, loving what I know of you, and trusting who you will become.
In the vast anatomy of my heart, you are the rhythmic pulse, the steady beat that keeps me alive. You are the antidote to loneliness, my remedy of sorrow. With you, my love, my mind, I feel like I finally found the missing piece of my genetic code.
Wherever you've been, I'll follow you around every bend. Follow you into the dark. Throw your hair on down like a falling star. Colors blur, memories fade. What we found just tends to stay. Hold to me and I'll hold on to you. We'll see the story through.
So actually, we're in long distance relationship. So more on a video calls only, no. But now we're together. So that is the most happiest.
So, first impression ako pagkita na ko siya itong mga panahon na sa review center mi. Simple lang pero that time focus pa ko. Focus mi sa review na mo kaya dito may nag-meet sa review center way back 2011.
Swirling sound, singing symphonies. You're all I hear and you're all I can see. I'll be by your side till golden bells they ring. I say,
finally, the long wait is over. Happy wedding and best wishes. Sana, ang wish ko sa inyo, sana humaba pa yung pagsasama niyo yung dalawa. And sana gabayan kayo lagi ni Lord. And sana ako din, kailan kaya hindi pa dumating yung the one ko, Kat. sana din yung pagsasama niyo humaba pa ng matagal. And happy ako para sa inyong dalawa na kakasal na din sa wakas sa tagal ng inaantay. Diyan na. Happy wedding, best wishes. Love you, Kat and Joseph. God bless.
Hello, Kat and Joseph. Finally, the wait is over. Nakita mo na din si forever mo, Kat. Anyway, congratulations on a spectacular wedding and a lifetime of love and happiness ahead. Warmest wishes on your big day and as you start a new chapter of life and love together. Again, congratulations to both of you.
Hello, Cathy and Joseph. Congratulations. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Sana maging matibay ang inyong pagsasama. Welcome to the club, Cathy and Joseph. Galingan nyo, ha? Damihan nyo.
Hi, Cathy and Joseph. Alam ko ay napakasaya ninyo ngayong araw na ito dahil ang mga pangarap nyo sa buhay ay natupad na. Masaya rin kami para sa inyo. Ang tanging mapapayo ko lang sa inyo ay mas higitan nyo pa ang inyong pag-unawaan, pagmamahalan sa bawat isa. At lagi ninyong gamitin sa inyong buhay na magkaroon kayo ng pagtitiwala at respeto sa bawat isa. Huwag niyong kayong makakalimot sa Diyos na siyang magbibigay tibay at lakas sa inyong pagsasama. Isang mapagpalang araw para sa inyong dalawa. Happy wedding, Cathy and Joseph. We love you.
Hi, Kat and Joseph. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Finally, ikakasal na kayo. Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyong dalawa na ang kasal, para kayong pumasok sa isang war. Kailangan nyo lang maging matatag at labanan ang bawat pagsubok ng buhay. Minsan masaya, minsan malungkot. But ang mahalaga, kapit kamay kayong dalawang lumalaban. At lagi ninyong ilagay sa buhay ninyo ang Panginoon. Once again, congratulations on your wedding and happy wedding sa inyong dalawa. I love you.
My dear youngest sister, you deserve all the best in the world. I hope your married life be filled with joy and happiness. I'm praying for you to have blessed and happy home as you embark on wonderful journey of marriage. May the lovely smile from your wedding day remains on your face forever. Once again, Kat, congratulations.
Dear Tita Cathy, marriage is a gift of Almighty. I hope you two will find the peace and happiness in life. May God bless you po. Congrats po and happy wedding, Tita Cathy, and wishing you two a very happy and blessed married life. That's all po, and again, congrats and happy wedding po.
Hi, Sis Kat and Kuya Joseph. Happy wedding sa inyo. Since hindi kami maka-attend sa wedding nyo, know that our hearts are overflowing with joy na finally kakasal na talaga kayo. So, our wish is that your marriage be blessed with endless joy, happiness, and unwavering love to each other. Congratulations to both of you.
Ayan, congrats sa inyong dalawa. Sa inyong araw ng kasal, hiling ko na kayo ay manatiling masaya sa piling ng isa't isa. Ika nga, sa pag-aasawa ay hindi tulad ng kanin na mainit na iyong isusubo at agad-agad mong maluluha. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal, sana magkaroon kayo ng masaganang buhay bilang mag-asawa at naway kayo ay biyayaan ng maraming magaganda, mga gwapo at malulusog na anak. Ang kasal ay isa lamang okasyon. Ang mas importante ay ang bawat araw ninyo bilang mag-asawa. Kung meron man kayong hindi pag-uunawaan, just always put God in the center of your relationship. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal.
Mabuhay!
Congrats!
Congratulations and best wishes,
to both of you.
We love you.
I love you. Hello, madam people. Mabuhay! Mini miss you. Mini miss you. Congrats!
Congratulations, Tita Cathy pati Tito Joseph, sa inyong wedding. Wishing you a good health and long love life.
Ngayon, nagtitipon tayo upang ipagdiwang ang pagkakaisa nila Tita Cathy at Tito Joseph. Ang kanilang pagmamahalan ay isang inspirasyon sa ating lahat. Itaas natin ang mga baso at magdiwang para sa masayang kasintahan. Congratulations sa inyong araw ng kasal. Naway magpatuloy ang iyong pagmamahalan at kaligayahan habang buong-buong kayong magkasama.
Hi, my dearest sister Kat and Joseph. I am so happy that today is your big day and My wishes for you are all the best in the world. A happy marriage, a successful marriage, a marriage where God is always the center, and be always forgiving with each other, learn to be patient, and hoping that you will have more children, and I will always be here for you as your ate to guide and support the two of you and give you may God will always bless your marriage, and I love you both. Happy wedding day.
Hi, Cathy and Joseph. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Sana ipagpatuloy niyo ang pagmamahalan sa isa't isa, maging mahinahon sa bawat panahon, and bigyan ng pagkakataon lagi ang pamilya. So i-prioritize ninyo ang inyong pamilya lagi. So financially stable na dapat kayo, and yung mga anak niyo sa susunod dapat i-guide nyo with the God grace. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
I will respect and honor you always and in all ways. I thank you to be my husband.
Ma-promise siguro na ako, dili pud na ako mingon jud na promise tungod kay kung mag-promise ta, usually jud mag-promise ka broken jud, so ako alam jud mapaano na is buhaton ako ang tanan, and na mapahappy siya, mapahappy yung pamilya.
Come alive. Every flower opens in due time. Every season falling into light. In the mystery, there's reason for design, and there's something beautiful.
Do not let the sun go down. We have something against one another. Sleep in peace. Be united. That's why there is the need for what we understand, peace, reconciliation with one another. There is the saying that goes, hanggang sa pagputi ng atong mga buhok, magkauban gihapon kita.
We're